Welcome to the Pycharm IDE course, where you will learn to use the Pycharm IDE Community Edition. My name is Mustafa. I will be leading you through the course. I began my career as a network and computer systems administrator, and it is still my current job. I have more than 5 years of Python programming language experience. I designed this course for anyone seeking to code in Python with less effort. By the end of the course, you will be able to create high-quality Python code using Pycharm easily. I will be teaching you creating projects, shortcuts, recording macros, configuring Python interpreter, debugging your code, integrating version control, and others using the Pycharm Community Edition. This will predictably give you good results in 5 days or less. These tools is great for coding in Python from scratch. Not only I will be covering the details, but I will also practice with you using real-life examples. I will walk with you through the entire process step by step. The ideal student for this course is an existing Python developer or a new Python developer who has a basic knowledge of any integrated development environment of Python, who wants to learn a way to code in Python with less effort. There are no requirements necessary to enroll. I only ask you to come open-minded and ready to learn. Feel free to take a look at the course description, and I look forward to seeing you inside.